exploring tried and true, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English both fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: tried and true. This expression is not just a set of words but a window into culture, history, and human experience. Let's unravel the layers behind tried and true, understanding its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. The phrase, tried and true, refers to something or someone that has been tested or proven to be reliable or effective over time. When we say tried, we mean that it has undergone tests or trials, and true indicates that it has shown itself to be consistent and dependable. This expression is often used to describe methods, techniques, objects, or even people that one can rely on because they have consistently shown positive results. Understanding where phrases come from can help us appreciate their meanings even more. The phrase, tried and true, has its roots in the English language's rich history of storytelling and written records. It embodies the idea that certain things have stood the test of time, proving their worth and reliability. While the exact origin of this expression is not pinpointed to a specific moment in history, it's clear that it has been in use for centuries, evolving with the language and the people who use it. Now that we know what tried and true means and where it comes from, let's talk about how you can use it. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be applied in various contexts. Whether you're talking about a family recipe, a study method that always gives you the best results, or a trusted friend who has always been there for you, tried and true can be your go-to expression. Here are a few examples to get you started. When it comes to making a perfect cup of coffee, I stick to my tried and true method. She is a tried and true friend who has supported me through thick and thin. In our company, we value tried and true practices that ensure quality and efficiency. The beauty of the phrase, tried and true, lies not only in its meaning but also in its ability to connect us with the essence of human experience, the search for reliability, trust, and proven effectiveness. It teaches us to value not just innovation and new discoveries but also the wisdom that comes with time-tested methods and relationships. In a world that's constantly changing, tried and true reminds us of the importance of having a solid foundation to rely on. And there you have it, the exploration of tried and true. A simple yet profound phrase that encompasses reliability, trustworthiness, and the test of time. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the values that tried and true represents. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and experiences they convey. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.